Right, let's give this a crack, eh? So yesterday, what's today? Friday, so Thursday, did a 2-hour round trip to my PO box to pick up some mail. So I got a couple of goodies. One of them, when I did my rego recently, was a discount on national parks permits. This one includes Kosciuszko, so very happy for that. Hope to get a fair bit of use out of that in the coming months. Second of all, I got myself some locking door knobs for my cabinets, so we'll open those. So Caravans Plus, it's a mob I've used a few times to source some bits and pieces. They're based out of Queanbeyan, which is New South Wales, just outside of the Canberra ACT border. And yeah, I've not had an issue with them yet. I got my max fans from them. I've got my C-flow pump for my sink, and now I've got these locking doorknobs. So let's get stuck into it. So these are the 23mm doorknobs. I believe I understand how they work. Rightio. So here's a close-up of the mechanism. So this is the push button, which is your doorknob. It presses in, engages that locking tab. To press it again, pops out and withdraws that locking tab. And that locking tab will just sit behind this little L bracket. So I mount that in, close the door, and it'll sit like so. Now I've done some calculations. Turns out, even with this knob depressed, it won't sit flush in my door. Here we go. So my door at the moment, the dress part of it at least, is 16mm melamine. I do have 12mm ply behind it on the drawers, but not in the cupboard doors. So if I just take it to the depth of the 16mm melamine, I'm going to have a little bit of projection of that doorknob. Not going to be completely flush, but I'll live with that for now.